I gotta be a little insane in what I'm doing here. So we're getting our C1 headlight conversion for the Dappler valves. Our plugs are made Top Fender Molding. Our headlight bezel and bucket behind us. And the insane thing is you got to go around this plug and you put a little bit of clay. So you roll out this clay, and I was just thinking to myself, I started at 6:30 this morning and it is now almost 2:30, and 20 feet of clay I've rolled out and I've put in there, and I've shaped it with all these little tools so we can get this edge down through here. Now we're going to clean this up and we're going to finish our procedure to make these molds. And it's like, what in the hell was I thinking when I wanted to do this? I never thought about 20 feet of clay a whole day, but it's done. So we're going to put away all of our little tools. We're going to clean this up, start our prep. We're going to start our molds. So there'll be a total of 6 new molds made to build this. This gets the top and the bottom of the bezels, buckets. Gotta love what you do. Right, guys?
Yes.
They get paid to say that. Thanks for watching.